The convention, titled The Internationalisation of the Tortellino, took place on the last 31st of May in the prestigious setting of the Department of History of the University of the Studies of Bologna in San Giovanni in Monte. The event was organised by Roncucci&Partners Group with the patronage of the Emilia-Romagna region and the University of the Studies of Bologna. The initiative, through the metaphor of the internationalisation of the Tortellino, aimed to deal with the issues of the inadequacy of the Italian system in facing the challenges of the global market, with a gradual and continuing loss of competitiveness. Before the convention starts, there was a minute of silence in memory of the victims of the earthquake that struck the region of Emilia. The works began with the presentation of the initiative and with a greeting to participants from Giovanni Roncucci, chairman of Roncucci&Partners Group and author of the book The Internationalisation of the Tortellino: Pains and Hardships of Italy in the Global Market. The convention was divided into two separate sessions. On the first session were held two central reports. The sociologist Domenico De Masi addressed the issue of the Italian cultural approach to globalisation, while Paolo Guerrieri, Professor of International Economics at the University of Rome, has focused his speech on economic issues more closely related to the internationalisation process of Italian companies. Next, representatives of universities and institutions, as well as experts from innovation and finance fields, dealt with the internationalisation theme over the round table. Is it possible to internationalise the Tortellino? Coordinated by Fabrizio Binacchi, the director RAI Emilia-Romagna. There was the intervention of Giulio Ecchia, director of the Master MIEX of the University of Bologna, Ruben Sacerdoti, head of the Desk for Internationalisation of Emilia-Romagna, Cesare Rapparini, commercial director of ICA SPA, Alfeo Carretti, chairman of Country Sharing Consorzio Export, Roberto Albisetti, senior manager of International Finance Corporation of the World Bank, and Giovanni Roncucci, chairman of Roncucci&Partners Group. The concluding remarks of the first part of the day were made by Claudio Zucchelli, Department Head of Legal and Legislative Affairs of the Presidency of the Council of Ministers. After the buffet, with the real tortellini bolognese, in the afternoon session there were two specific issues detailed. The first workshop focused on innovation specifically related to new professionals needed to support a more structured internationalisation process. Simultaneously, in a second workshop, the team of Roncucci&Partners provided practical advice on appropriate approaches to access the markets of Brazil, India and Balkans. The event has seen the participation of a large audience of entrepreneurs, journalists and representatives of institutions.